Okay guys, we have a terrible accident here on Colton Avenue, just around the Wabash area. And an ambulance just took off in this direction with the sirens going. Possibly somebody in the back of that ambulance. It's been a terrible, terrible car accident here. Multiple police units on scene. Like I said, an ambulance already left with the sirens going. Okay guys, so still out here on Colton Avenue. Serious crash. Multiple agencies investigating. Here is glass, if you can see, in the roadway. It's hard to tell in the dark, but that looks like damage to the rear end of that car. And then over here we have a seriously destroyed vehicle. Definitely some injuries in that accident right there, unfortunately.